Jean-Claude Munyezamu uses soccer to reteach rules, respect, and promote community. His innovative approach sets language and cultural barriers aside and builds community through sport.
Soccer Without Boundaries is a grassroots volunteer organization that become very innovative, the way of integrating immigrant kids, also giving kids who live in poverty the means to connect with their neighborhood using soccer. Soccer is the community itself. It teaches self-esteem, dependability, conflict resolution, structure, there is a leadership. Basically, everything you have in the society, you have it in the soccer. My journey from Rwanda to Calgary was a harrowing one. I left July of 1993, 10 months before genocide. After genocide, there's no one knew that Rwanda gonna be a country again. I feel fortunate, maybe I survived to do this. I feel this city adopted me and it's part of giving back. This city is what it is because of people who come up with ideas to serve their communities. That's how I see it.